ready to become the go-to source for expert opinions and turn your passion into a platform. Let's build your own review website with WordPress, the easiest way to establish yourself as an authority in any niche. First, we need a solid foundation. Log into your WordPress admin area and navigate to Appearance. Then Themes, we're looking for a theme that's clean, responsive, and built for showcasing content. A great starting point is Astra, Ocean WP, or Neve. These are free and highly customizable. If you want something tailor-made for reviews, search for terms like review theme or magazine theme. In the Add New Themes section, many of these come with built-in rating systems and dedicated layouts that will save you time and make your reviews pop. Once you found a theme you love, click Install, and then activate. This instantly transforms the look and feel of your site now. Let's add the functionality to actually create those amazing reviews. Head over to Plugins, then Add New. We'll search for a review plugin. There are fantastic options like WP Review Pro or Site Reviews. But for a free start, look for plugins that offer schema markup for rich snippets. This helps your ratings appear in search results. Many free plugins also provide star ratings and customizable templates. Install your chosen plugin and activate it. This adds new options to your dashboard, usually under its own menu item or sometimes integrated into your post editor. This is where you'll define what you're reviewing and how you'll rate it. Now, let's create your first review. Go to Posts. Then Add New. You'll see sections added by your review plugin, usually allowing you to select categories, assign ratings for different criteria like performance, design, or value, and add pros and cons. Fill in your expert opinions and compelling descriptions. Don't forget to add a captivating title and high-quality images, or even videos of the product or service. This makes your review engaging and trustworthy. Once you're happy, hit Publish. And there you have it. Your professional review website is taking shape, ready to share your expertise, build an audience, and establish your authority. Keep those reviews coming and watch your influence grow.